If you're looking for information on the Afforai Lifetime Deal and Afforai Review, you've come to the right place. The Afforai Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Afforai Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Afforai Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Trying to find reliable sources can feel like a weird side quest on your journey to mastering a new topic. With so much information available out there, it's nearly impossible to research anything without running into iffy sources. What if you had an AI research assistant that could analyze hundreds of documents and URLs to provide accurate answers? Use this AI research assistant to search, summarize, and translate all your research. Connect your AI chatbot to Google Search and receive up-to-date answers to any questions based on vetted sources. Automatically sift through hundreds of documents and URLs to get answers to any question, complete with citations. Afforai is an AI chatbot that searches, summarizes, and translates info from multiple sources to produce trustworthy research. Thanks to the proprietary algorithm combined with Azure's OpenAI, Afforai can scrape info from hundreds of sources without breaking a sweat. Use hundreds of documents and URLs to train your chatbot on any topic, making it a subject matter expert in a few minutes. You can upload multiple document types, including PDFs, Word documents, and even PowerPoint presentations. This platform can also analyze dense texts like undergrad and postgrad textbooks, in-depth research journals, and more. Ask questions about your documents and get answers immediately. No more skimming multiple pages or using Ctrl+F to find what you're looking for. This feature works in over 100 languages, so you can upload a French novel or ask anything in Japanese, and the AI will respond accordingly. And because Afforai's side-by-side document viewer will pull up your research doc right next to the chat window, you don't have to toggle between tabs. This tool works with all supported info sources, meaning you can pull up papers, web pages, and slide decks too. You can track down the sources for any answer by clicking the citation button, which provides direct links to the original information. Clicking a citation link takes you directly to the reference paragraphs, all of which are highlighted for your convenience. Afforai will only provide answers with a direct reference, ensuring you're getting accurate and reliable information. Best of all, you can connect your chatbot with Google Search to get up-to-date answers on any information from anywhere online. From there, the chatbot will answer your questions with multiple citations, so you know all the responses are well supported. Spot a helpful source. You'll be able to upload any citation to your chatbot with a single click to deep dive into the topic. With this powerful AI research assistant, you're one step closer to becoming a jack of all trades. That's because Afforai analyzes hundreds of sources, provides exact citations, and connects to Google Search to make research a total breeze. Find exactly what you're looking for. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Afforai today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.